Hello friends! In today's video, we are going to make a cute little flower painting. First of all, I am taking this green color, and with it we will make small little balls. I'll quickly make them, and you also have to make small balls like this first. Now I'm taking yellow color, and I'll make small balls with this too. Let me quickly prepare these as well. You also have to make 7 little balls and join them together in a round shape. Look at this, when we connect them, it takes the shape of a flower. That's how our flower will be ready. You also have to join them just like I'm doing here. See, I've already made some here. You also need to prepare them quickly in the same way. Now I'll make small balls with pink color, and then we'll form a flower with them. Let's prepare these quickly. I've also made some with blue color. Look, guys, now we have quite a few flowers ready in 3 to 4 different colors. Next, for the stems, I'll make them quickly as well. We had already prepared some sticks earlier so that our time doesn't get wasted. You also need to take a stick, like a lollipop stick, and wrap it with green color. Now look, we are attaching the flowers on top one by one. You just need to press them slightly, and see how pretty they look. Our flowers are now coming together. In the same way, you should also prepare all your flowers in advance. Now the next step is to stick them on the painting. For this, I'll apply a little glue. I don't have much glue, poor people, you know, so I'm using just a little. But you can use as much as you need. Let's quickly stick the small flowers first. The small ones will go directly like this, while the big flowers will be attached along with the stem. I'll first complete this step, and you should also finish yours. Now we're starting to attach the big flowers with stems. This one will go in the center, and here we'll place a yellow flower next to it. Doesn't it look beautiful? That's it. Let's continue. You also need to quickly arrange and attach all your flowers in the same way. Look, this is the final one, and now our painting is almost complete. See how pretty it looks, guys? You must comment and tell me how you liked this flower painting. I tried my best to show you with full effort. These little crafts take a lot of time, so do let me know in the comments if you understood the method clearly. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.